Hey there guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can find the legendary clockwork fish in Crimson Desert. Now currently on my map right now, I'm in a small little basin right here, and as you can see I pretty much caught the clockwork fish already on this small location. If you're wondering where it is, it's pretty much all the way here to the east of the Tashkelp town. Literally just go straight east and you should be able to find this little spot with a small rock in the middle and then a whole bunch of quicksand converging all towards here to the middle. There's gonna be two ways for you to get this. One is that you have to have the fishing rod right here. It can be the normal fishing rod that you get or just any other higher quality fishing rod that would help you more. But since this is the one that I got, this is the one I'm going to be using. Now this will take a very long time for you to fish because quite frankly it took me an hour and a half to catch this fish. Once you do get a bite, just follow the instructions over on the top left where you have to pull in from the opposite direction of where the fish is currently fighting against you. Now this will be a lot more difficult than the normal way of fishing because you won't be able to find any splashes of sand to know if the fish is still struggling or already tired out. Quite frankly, just using the fishing rod has managed to make me fail at least 20 times in this entire ordeal. So eventually, at around the last time I used my fishing rod, I remembered where the fish was, so I just jumped straight into the quicksand and took it out from there. Quite frankly, it's a lot more difficult to use the fishing rod than just jumping straight into the quicksand and getting it with your own hands. That's pretty much about it on how to get the legendary clockwork fish in Crimson Desert.